So everyone, it's been a while we talked about Sunwayfoto, and I want to show you this. This is the FL-70RGB. So disclaimer, I am no longer affiliate, I'm no longer a ambassador, I no longer am getting free products from them. Long story. But with that said everyone, I want to show you the insides of the FL-70RGB. And you might think this might not be interesting, but I'm going to show you something very interesting about the chassis of the LED light. So with that said everyone, please do subscribe, like, and share. And this model, this one is broken. This is the one that Sunwayfoto didn't want to replace. So I took off the diffuser and I used the diffuser for another project. But I want to show you guys. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool? You see all those LED lights in the flesh? Let me see if I get a micro shot. Ooh. I want you guys to see the components. This does look very, very cool. But I got a T5. Wait, is this a T5 or a T6? I'm sorry, I got a T6 tool. So we're going to use this to open it. Now, I did open this before and I did take it apart. And I wasn't sure if I wanted to make a video about it. And I think people want to see what was inside the Sunwayfoto. Why does this one can't come off? But yeah, I wanted to see if I can have you guys understand. Well, this one's broken already. I took this one off before. I might have to speed this part up. This torque screw is not getting a good. So, and that's another problem with Sunwayfoto's bolts and bits and the Rex keys. They're not very good quality, everyone. Yeah, they're not very good quality. They strip very easily. This is why we had a problem with Sunwayfoto products. And I took this off before, and I wanted to show you. So let me just try to take this off. So I want to show you these bolts that were on the FL-70. And you can see they're not very premium. They strip very easily. Not very good. I'm going to be honest, Sunwayfoto. I want to show you this is a T6 and it's stripped. You see that, everybody? Not very good quality bolts. So ladies and gentlemen, I got it off the panel. Had to break a few things, but yeah, let's take this panel off and let me show you. Now look at this panel. This is why Sunwayfoto products, in my opinion, were still amazing. You see this? This is not plastic. You see this, everyone? This is not plastic at all. This is literally T6061, as they claim. But the digital display for this is not top quality. Just buggy. Oh, you hear that? No plastic. So here's the battery. Now the battery is at 3.7 volts, 14.8 megawatts at 4,000 milliamps. I want you guys to see that. So really good battery too. And here is the component of the LED light and its modules and its back panel. You see that? All of that transistors, and so the quality in the build is phenomenal. It's just one problem. You see this? This button fails over time. Yes, this is what failed in the power button. This is why we weren't able to turn it on, because the power button or its functionality didn't stand up that great, but it lasted for about 9 months, just to give you guys context. So yeah, this is a very nice build construction, and even the housing for it, the chassis. Look at this, no plastic. So yeah, the Sunwayfoto FL-70RGB to me was my favorite RGB light. I used it as a night light when I was in the streets of New York City. I used it for a lot of things that I needed to use it to even illustrate or demonstrate light painting, long exposures. But yeah, but still, in my opinion, this is what I think, everyone. I would go ahead with my own money and buy this one again. But what I don't like is the button. It's too recessed. This is the button, everyone. It's just too recessed into the chassis or the frame. It's really hard to turn on, and this is what failed. So maybe Sunwayfoto can improve on the button quality and maybe the display. The display was just really buggy, not accurate when it was telling me the percentage of my battery. Not very accurate. But battery wise, yes, this is a very good promising battery. Yeah, I'm going to recycle all these things. So if you do take apart, I might just keep it for a future video just to give you guys some more context. But this is my Sunwayfoto FL-70RGB breakdown. What's inside? And this is what's inside. But it looks cool. Look at that. It's so cool. I might wear this as a freaking chain or something. Bling bling. So, like I said, listen, I like Sunwayfoto products, but I just don't like their practices and how they engage and how to deal with problems and take criticism with a grain of salt. So with that said, everyone, I'm the ThePandaPhotographer. I'm a filmmaker, documentarian, and I also have my press credentials. So take this experience with the product with a grain of salt. I hope you learned something today, and this may or may not give you a decision if you want to buy the Sunwayfoto FL-70RGB. But if you're buying RGBs on Amazon that are plastic for the exact same price, I'd rather go for the Sunwayfoto because, but like I said, power button functionality kind of wears out over time. The buttons are a little flimsy, yeah. But that's my take. Talk to you guys in the next one. See ya.